Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amirul Sambianwa and my metric number is 2020890022. My lecturer has given me a task which is explain about maintenance activity. The place that I choose for this activity is Pineapple Farm. This is my personal information. My name is Muhammad Amirul Sambianwa and my class is 80110-3B and my student ID is 2020890022 and my lecturer for this subject is Dr. Nazatul Ashikin. My overview of this task is introduction, which is I will talk about the specific name of pineapple and the detail of the pineapple farm in the UiTM Jengke. And second one, maintenance of activity, which is I will talk about two activity, weeding and harvesting. The last one is conclusion. Now I will start my presentation with introduction. For introduction, the pineapple Ananas communis is a tropical plant with an edible fruit and is the most economically significant plant in the family Bromeliaceae. The pineapple is indigenous to South America, where it has been cultivated for many countries. The introduction of the pineapple to Europe in the 17th century made it a significant cultural icon of luxury. Since the 18th-20th century, pineapple has been commercially grown in greenhouses and many tropical plantations. At UiTM Jengke, we plant MD2 pineapples. The supervisor that in charge for pineapple department is Encik Syamsuddin bin Ismail. The MD2 pineapple planting project, or better known as Jengke Pine, was started in February 2020. This planting project was started to fulfill the teaching and learning of Diploma in Planting Industry Management 8110 students who underwent practical training with the guidance of staff from the Estate Management Unit UiTM Pahang branch. Jengke Pine products are sold in the form of fruit at a price of RM5 per kilogram, in addition to cut fruit and pineapple juice to give more choice to buyers. Meanwhile, the wholesale selling price is according to the prescribed grade. MD2 is the sweetest pineapple and the best choice for all pineapple hunters. Right now, we have 2 plots of pineapple farm. Commercial value for this pineapple for now is very high because every year we got profit from this department as economy for UiTM Pahang branch. The second main point that I will talk about in this presentation is maintenance of activity. The first activity that I will talk about is weeding. Weeding is the process to remove out the weeds. Weeds are unwanted plants which grow along the useful crop. Weeding is required because weeds are competitive plants as they reduce the useful crop yield by acquiring space, fertilizer, and nutrients from the soil. The main function of weeding activity is to reduce competition between crop and weed to get water, sunlight, nutrient, and space. Procedure of weeding. The first one is identify weeds that grow at our plants. Second, pull out the weed with using hoe or machete. Third, collect the weed at one place. And lastly is throw away all the weed to garbage dump. And now we will move on to the advantage of weeding. The advantage, your crop will get enough sunlight. When they have no weed, the crop will get more sunlight. Second, help to improve soil fertility and structure. Third, there easy root penetration. And lastly is there's less competition for water and nutrient. And the second activity that I will talk about is harvesting. Harvesting is the process of gathering a reap crop from the field. Reaping is the cutting of grain or poles for harvest, typically using a skeeter, sickle, or reaper. On smaller farms with minimal mechanization, harvesting is most labor-intensive activity of the growing season. On large mechanized farm, harvesting uses the most expensive and sophisticated farm machinery, such as the combine harvesters. Process automation has increased the efficiency of both the seeding and harvesting process. Procedure of harvesting. We should harvest the pineapple when the fruit is 1/3 or more yellow. You can go ahead and harvest it. The first procedure is prepare the equipment, which is hedge shells and wheelbarrow. Second, use hedge to cut pineapple stalk and gather it in a wheelbarrow. And now we will move on to the advantages of harvesting. Advantages. Actually, I talk about the advantage for manual technique compared to machinery. The first advantage is fruit can be selected more preciously at the optimal machinery stage compared to mechanical harvester. Second, fruit is carefully handled. And the last one is manual harvesting requires minimum capital investment, but it can be expensive in the long term. And the last point in this presentation is conclusion. In conclusion, I conclude that these two activities is the main activity in our pineapple department. These two activities also important for other fruits and vegetables to make sure the quality of crop secure and in the best condition. Besides that, I want to suggest to all farmers to use these two activities while farming with the two technique. I hope my presentation can be understood and conveyed well to the audience. Lastly, I want to thank to my lecturer and supervisor for all the knowledge that have been given. I think that's all for my presentation, and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.